Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how you can make your eyebrows look perfect without a concealer. Yes, without using a concealer. So basically what we need for this tutorial is you need an eyebrow brush, an eyebrow pencil or a gel, and you want to make sure that your pencil is really sharp. Then you also need a gel. I'm using the got to be glue. You can use any gel of your choice, any gel that you have. So first I just make sure that my brows have no oils on them. Okay guys, to start, you can see how my brows are looking like. What I do is I'll take my my spoolie and brush my brows upward like this. After doing that, I will take my pencil and just fill in my brows. Now you want to just keep on filling until you get it as you desire. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll try to draw a very tiny line at the bottom of my brow. Like that. Then now I'll take my brush again and just brush it a little bit downward and draw another line at the top. I brush it again upward. So now what I'll do now is I'll take the brush, take a little bit of the gel, like so. Then you want to gently, not pressing the brush on your brows. You want to gently brush your hair with the gel like that. Then now what you want to do, as your hair is flying up like this, you want to just gently push it back like that. Now with the tail of the brush, you want to gently press it down. So if you still have spaces like this, you want to go ahead and make the hair like stroke. But if you don't have, it's okay. You can just leave it like that. And there you have it. And your brows are going to stay like this all day. Like the gel is going to keep it in place and it's not going to move for the whole day. Okay guys, that was it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell button at the corner, so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.